Price. Hey guys, in this lecture we will talk about price skimming, e-commerce strategy, its definition and uses. So some of the advantages of the price skimming techniques are that you have to make your product seem more elusive, like for a specific set of audience. You have to create prestige around your product like Apple does and few other brands. It is properly done by showing the value of your product by displaying through different ways that benefits the customers and shows your product as unique and make your product original. It could be like it has this number of features, but most importantly how you communicate that, because these type of brands, they are good at communicating and tell the people like this is the good quality, and you have to make the good quality as well to stand out from rest of the alternatives or products, or introducing the USPs, like unique selling points that your product have. Disadvantages are it cannot be used as a long-term strategy if you are not considerate about the price conscious buyers. Then your competitors will saturate the market with alternatives. Apple is among the best examples of how to implement the price skimming techniques effectively. Price skimming technique often works on early adopters who pay the higher price to buy the new or latest product or the best product that is available in the market. So price skimming is not for all the brands or product, but if you could do it right in a good way, then you could make use of it. Or suppose if you have a big line of products and you want to make one product rather stand out from the rest and just try to use this technique, you can always give it a try. Another way is, suppose you have products from different brands and vendors, you can show specific products to the customers who have explored or bought specific brands of value before. So this could work on that also. If it is not your brand and you sell other brands products, then you could adopt this strategy differently and implement it.